Hey guys, I'm showing you this GIGALUMI solar outdoor lights for test and try. It's a 12-pack LED solar lights, outdoor waterproof, solar walkway lights, and the maintain 10 hours of the lighting for your garden, landscape, path, yard, patio, or driveway. So let me just open. So basically, they are our little solar lights, and that comes in a really nice, decorative piece, and you can just put it on the side of your patio or any other purpose which light ups the area. And as this is solar powered, you don't need any battery inside it. So just on and off each of these, and then you have to just put it back. So when there is a dark, this will run. If there is no dark, this will close. So this is also the light sensitive, so it will only on in the dark. These are the stands with each of these, and they are total 12 in size. And so this is IP65 waterproof, frost resistant, heat resistant, and the UV resistant material. And also they have the brighter design or the genuine material, which gives like good light compared to the others. And also you can use it with a garden fence pathway or the flower bed. And also as this have a solar outdoor light, so you can see how you can fit it. So this you can just take it out and fit this, and this is ready to go into the garden and the soil. So I will try to show like in the dark how the light will feels and looks so that you can see. But overall, this is a nice 12 pack with the great with the solar panel, and this will charge, and you can use it in the night with the charging thing. So just take this, and I have to assemble some of them so I can show it to you. So this is how it looks in the dark. And say like if you use a garden statue nearby, it can bright up the whole garden statue. If it is outside, also like it can brighten up and you can see. So very nice light and the 12 pack set.